Hey scented friends, welcome to another micro fragrance review. I'm reviewing another sample, and this is one of the ones that I got when I was in London a few months ago. It's Bonnie, you might be able to hear. It's Bay Rum from Trumpers in London, and that was at the St James's location that the guy there gave us a few samples. So I will be reviewing those samples over the next coming videos. And it's one of the tiny samples that you get. It's actually, the liquid is pink. Anyway, what I noticed when I put the fragrance on straight away is Clove. That seems to be staying throughout the whole dry down. Is Clove, stays all the way through with a slight hint of citrus. So if you do like something that's in the spicy vein of Clove, then you are going to like Bay Rum from Trumpers in London. Personally, I'm not a whole fan of it. I do like it when I'm doing some formulating and everything like that, but I don't like it to smell that way throughout. But it does, the smell of it reminds me of the taste of these sweets that I used to eat when I was a kid back in the UK, and I can't remember the name of the sweets. Also reminds me of putting clove oil when you used to have a toothache. And that, so yeah, so if you do like something spicy, clove with a little hint of citrus in there, I think you will like Bay Rum from Trumpers. So give it a try, and I'll see you on the next micro fragrance review. Please take care. Good girl.